Are you ready to unlock the secrets of React and take your web development skills to the next level? In just a few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to know about React, from the basics to advanced concepts. Imagine being able to build fast, scalable, and maintainable applications with ease, using the most popular JavaScript library out there. That's right, we're talking about React, the library of choice for companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. But before we dive in, let's talk about why you should care about React in the first place. In today's world of web development, having a solid understanding of React can open doors to new career opportunities and give you a competitive edge in the job market. Now, you might be wondering, what about other programming languages like Python? Well, the truth is, React can be used with a variety of backend technologies, including Node.js, which is perfect for building scalable and fast applications. And if you're interested in exploring other areas of programming, like Python, we've got you covered too. Our Python programming tutorial series is perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike. But I digress. Let's get back to React. One of the coolest things about React is its ability to be used in a variety of applications. From web development to mobile app development, and even Internet of Things examples. Imagine being able to control your smart home devices with a React application, or building a mobile app that uses React to render its user interface. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes React so exciting. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about deep learning tutorials? Can I use React with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch? The answer is yes. You can use React with deep learning frameworks to build complex applications that use machine learning models to make predictions or classify data. So, now that we've covered the basics of React and its applications, let's talk about how you can get started with building your own React applications. First, you'll need to install Node.js and a code editor, like Visual Studio Code. Then, you can use a tool like Create React App to create a new React project. From there, you can start building your application, using React components, JSX, and other features like state and props. As you build your application, you'll want to keep in mind best practices, like separating your components into different files, and using a consistent naming convention. Now, I know this is a lot to take in, but don't worry, we've got plenty of resources available to help you learn React. From our React tutorial series, to our Python programming tutorial series, and even deep learning tutorials, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your own React applications today, and take the first step towards becoming a web development master. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and programming content. If you've got any questions or topics you'd like to cover, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, be sure to check out our upcoming tutorials and programming courses. We'll see you in the next video. And happy coding!